Hello everybody out there in the land of make-believe. Uncle Barko here. And what's this for? I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to do an unboxing video. I could have used some scissors, right? But I thought the switchblade would be more exciting for the video. Okay, so I just got my package from StickerApp, StickerApp.com. I'm sure there's an app, but I went on through my PC, my computer. It's odd. I was checking out another online sticker printer called Sticker Mule. It seemed like pricing wise, Sticker Mule seemed like it gets better prices, but I saw their cuts. I saw a few videos, and the cuts on the actual edges of I'm doing like these die cut type of deals. Here, I'll show you a picture. There, I'm doing these kinds of things. So, all right, so I got the package here, now, yeah, the pricing on these was a little bit higher than the pricing on Sticker Mule. And then Sticker Mule, you can upload your photos with fades and no backgrounds, and they can kind of deal with it. With StickerApp, you gotta actually talk to them. So you gotta send them an email and say, hey, I want this part with the sparkle stuff, and this part with no sparkle stuff, or a half fade, and then they figure it out, and then they get back to you, and they say, oh yeah, how about this? So that's what I did with this. I sent in my original artwork, and they contacted me back, and they said, oh, where do you want the sparkle on to show through? And I was like, oh, okay. I had left no background in the areas. I didn't want the sparkle to show through, but they needed me to tell them, which is fine, because I hadn't done it before, and I ended up having them put some sparkle through on some areas that I hadn't thought of when I sent up the order. So these hopefully will look better than I had originally planned. Ooh, now they had said that they would get these here about by the 19th, which it's now the 23rd, and the stickers were printed, and then they kind of sat in the warehouse for a while. They made the tag and they just sat there. So a couple days late, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I got them. There they are. So I don't do unboxing videos that often. I like to use something for a while before I actually do a review of it. So I'm not going to be able to do a review about their durability or their stickability. I might. Well, maybe I'll stick one to something and we'll find out. But the longevity of their stickability. But we could do. I can find out what they look like and see how nice the cuts are, and then if they end up not being any good, I'll put a video about that. Let's cut into it. Oh, okay. Could have probably just, yeah, I could have just ripped that with my fingers. Could have just ripped it with my fingers. Okay. I'm actually pretty excited. I've had some of stickers made one at a time for me on on-demand sites, but these are supposed to have all kinds of holographic cool stuff. So let's see what happens when you dig inside the package. It comes with a bubble wrap, which is nice. My on-demand sticker printer doesn't send them. I won't even get into it, but they're not. It's not cool. So what is this? Fight COVID. Thanks for your order. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, look at that, Fight COVID sticker. Look at that. That's cool. Little kiss cut on there. That's nice. That's quality. That's a quality sticker you got there right there. All right. So what else we got in here? I can see the stickers. Let's just pour it out. Let's pour it all out. Oh, that's cool already. I'm excited. Okay, they come in these packages. All right, that's cool. These are nice bags, actually. Decent bags. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm looking through the camera right now. I'm trying to look over the camera. All right, I gotta lean over the camera and see these things to keep them in the shot. All right, so this is the only one that I really said, oh, make some of the glittery stuff show through. And boy, did they. That is perfect. So I asked them, I sent them the image without, it was a solid image, and they contacted me back. They said, what do you want the glitter to show through here? And I said, well, I hadn't thought about having any glitter show through, but if you did, why don't you check it out with this, the background there, the yellow background. So this was a solid yellow background, and they went ahead and through the magic of digital processing, made it kind of a tone. I don't know if you can see on the camera the sparkly oh yeah, there you go a little bit. I think, yeah, there you go a little bit. Okay, so there's sparkly behind just the yellow here, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like it. Could have been a little more sparkly, but what do I know? What do I know? They said they do their best, and yeah, these cuts are nice. So these are probably done laser cut. In fact, I think I saw that they are done laser cut, and I think that the sticker mule must do them with a plotter, because you can see blade marks where the in the corners and stuff. So, and that's why a lot of my stuff has like sharp corners, and I was like, those look pretty gnarly cuts there. So, and these also have so they've got the is that on all of them? Yeah, so they've got a little line here, so you can pop a seam here and peel it off, which is nice, and it's not so deep that it's going to put a crevice on the actual sticker, because sometimes they'll put a full cut in there. See, that's just it's a light cut. You got to break it, in fact. But some places they'll put a full cut in the sticker, and then when they get stacked, you can see the crease in the sticker. It's kind of permanently crease there in the sticker. All right, so this is my Barko Toy Company sticker, promo stickers. Those are good. I like those. So this here is what I call a dweeb, and this has what's this got? This has a holographic background. Okay, I'm sorry, I meant to. Okay, so these are glitter stickers with this background here. It's called the glitter background, and then this is the holographic background there, right? And the what's the print? I'm trying to get my eyeballs on it. And it printed out just like the image. Colors are a little different, but not so anybody would notice, right? But yeah, it printed out nice and crisp. That looks good. That looks good, I think. All right? So that's a dweeb. That's a dweeb there. And the artwork on this looks good too. Sharp, a little different, a little bit of difference in the colors that I use. Not too much, pretty much spot on. Okay, so let's get one of these skulls out here. That is nice. So it's got, this is a mirror background. Now I did, can you see that? I gotta get a good look here. Yeah, okay, so I left a little dot in the eye, and that did show through. I don't think I told them about that. I gotta get real close there. Gotta get real closer to see it. So when I made this image, I left, I erased a little dot there with no background. So I assumed that the silver would show through. You can see the dots, but to tell you the truth, oh yeah, no, that's the mirror. Okay, so if you hit it right at the right angle, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, I'm having a hard time looking through the camera and seeing the glint on here. But yeah, where I left the just the background, just erased a couple of dots in the eyes there and left the background, you can see the mirror in it. I can see the mirror in it. So, and the colors turned out real nice. And this was just a fade. I did this rainbow fade with my sketch. I use a program called Autodesk Sketchbook. I'm not very technically advanced when it comes to digital art, so I use a real simple program. I'm trying to learn Inkscape, but I haven't learned it yet. So, yeah, that rainbow turned out real nice. Those are good colors, good sharp colors. This is a nice print. So it's nice print quality, and then the edges are cut nice. So that's another reason I wanted to make sure that there's no little bits or anything that didn't get cut right. It's a nice cut. Nice cut. That is exactly how I wanted it to look. All right, last one here. This is on another one on the glitter background. And what did I call this? This bunny got a name, and it's... what did I end up naming this bunny? Snowball. Snowball. Because Snowball is, it's copywritten by Hostess. So this is Snowball. It's a completely different spelling than Snowball. But yeah, somebody pointed out that he looked like a host of Snowball, so it's Snowball. And yeah, that turned out, again, I keep looking at it through the camera. I should look at it with my eyes here. Get some more light on this. And yeah, that printed out really nice. Yepers. Okay, so that is, that's my 4 stickers that I ordered. And I think they came in a fairly timely fashion, not as quickly as promised. But I got them. And that was one of the keys to getting my toy store open, because I want to throw these in the boxes when somebody buys a toy. I'm just trying to get the light off to stop glaring on my stickers so you can see them proper. So I kind of needed these to get my store open, because I wanted to throw them in with if you buy a toy, you get a sticker. And I'm selling the stickers, so you can buy these stickers. So pretty soon, these here stickers are going to be available on my toy store, which is barkotoyco.com. barkotoyco.com. And I'm going to have that. I was planning on opening April 20th, 4/20, but I pushed it forward 2 weeks, which puts it at exactly May the 4th. So it's another holiday, another a nerd holiday, May the 4th. So I am going to do a grand opening on May the 4th, if all works out. And at that point, these stickers will be available for sale. I'm also going to have some contests, some freebie contests. So if you want some of these stickers for free, going to give at least a pack of all 4 away for free. Hit me up on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll be doing some sticker giveaways on Instagram and Facebook over the next couple of weeks. So like and subscribe, and then go follow me, and do all the things. Do all the things. Wow, it's all right. Settle down, guys. Settle down. I want to stick something. I want to stick one. I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste it, but I want to stick something. Stick something to something and see how well these little suckers stick, right? Oh, look at that. It's so glittery. It's so glittery. I'm going to stick this to something. Okay, so I got my Craftsman's tool chest, and I had these. This is a sticker I had made by an on-demand print company. It was a good sticker, to tell you the truth. Just it was like $5 or something stupid. So, not going through them. And this is a sticker I had printed off myself. And then this sticker up here you can't see, so I'm going to stop talking about it. All right, let's stick this bad boy right on here. Now I just wiped this off real quick with some alcohol, as you should do before applying a sticker. I actually worked in an industry where we had to use adhesives to make medical equipment. I won't get into it. It's a little laboratory on a card we were inventing. And so I'm pretty good at sticking stuff without getting bubbles in it, so hopefully I did. I don't feel any bubbles. How's that look? How's that look? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, that is good. It's good on there. And, oh, yep, it's stuck on there. Oh, yeah, that ain't coming off without some effort. Nice. Nice. Okay, so this is not a review. Again, I've not used these stickers enough to be able to give you a review. But first impressions, I am impressed. Good stickers, well cut. The image came out the way I wanted the image to come out. It's got that little glittery in the background. You got to talk to them. You got to actually talk to them about getting your glitter to show through. But it's well worth it. It's well worth it. So what did I pay for these? Let's get into that. Okay, so what was the cost of these stickers? So I got 50 of these 3-inch by 2.1-inch mirror back stickers. Got 50 for $41 at 82 cents per sticker. This glitter sticker is 3-inch by 2.6 inches. I got 50 of these, $54 at $1.08 per sticker. The dweebs here, I got, this is, they call this a holographic background. I got these are 3" by 1.5". I got 64 of these for $40 at 36 cents a sticker. Oh yeah, I think that's the thing, is there's limits. There are limits to how few stickers you can get depending on the size, I guess. So that's why I got 64, because 64 was the limit on this particular sticker. And I don't know what the calculations is to give you the limits, but tweet. So yeah, what did I say? $40 for 64 of these at 63 cents a sticker. And then my glitter stickers here, my Barko Toy Co. Glitter stickers. These are 3" by 3" all the way around. I got 50 of these. They were $63 at a cost of $1.26 a sticker. So then I remembered somebody mentioning in a review that sometimes they get extra stickers, or most of the time, if I remember correctly, so most of the time they get extra stickers with the order. So I went and counted these up, especially since this pack looked fat. Got a fat pack. Fat bag, baby. So I had originally ordered 64 of these. They sent me 89, which brings the total cost down to 45 cents a sticker. That was for the dweebs. For the rainbow skulls, I got ordered 50. I got 64, and that brings the total cost down to 64 cents per sticker. Yeah, for the Barko, that's Barko the Clown, by the way. Barko the Clown there. And for the Barko stickers, I ordered 50. I got 59, bringing the cost down to $1.06. Lastly, the bunny stickers, ordered 50. I got 69, bringing the total cost down to 78 cents a sticker. So, yeah, if you guys go to my website and you see that I'm charging you more than that, that's because of shipping and handling, and then I need to get paid. So, I don't want to ship a sticker, or I'm probably going to be setting these up in packs of 4 where you can get the mix and match and whatnot. So you'll see. Check out my website. You'll see how I get them set up. And so that's it. That's the cost. That's the quality. That is the unboxing of these StickerApp stickers. And that's it for now. Stay tuned for upcoming craft videos and updates on my toy stuff. I make toys. If you haven't watched my other videos, I'm making toys. So check out my videos about that. Check out my Facebook and my Instagram. I gotta go. All right, that's it. Until next time, always remember, never forget your vision. Godspeed, Earthlings.